I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. A video. A video. Video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am having some Jose Loco's shrimp taco salad, and it looks kind of scary because I've never had a taco salad with a whole bunch of juice in it. And then this is my salmon that I brought from home that I had left over from my salmon teriyaki onigiri or rice balls. And then I have my handy dandy water, so let's get into it because I am hungry. The first thing I want to try is my rice balls. Actually, I already know how it tastes, but let's do a thumbnail. Okay. Now we'll do a thumbnail. Oh, that's so good. And as well, I have a little soy sauce. A little, just a little. What are you guys eating? I'd rather go on and use my fork. I just hope it's as good as mine. I did a video on how I made this. So simple to be so delicious. You know what? I love these things. This is what I use to wrap it. And I just like to eat them like how we eat chips. Like how we love to eat chips, I love to eat these. So I'm like, let me wrap it. Extra wrap it. So good. I'm going to try the taco salad. Looks like I use long grain rice, which you shouldn't. Okay, so now let's try this. Soaked at the bottom. And I will use my fork, try to dig out some shrimp. My taco salad, let's check it out. I mean, the shell is mushy, but it tastes good. Well seasoned. They give you a lot of shrimp. Look at all that shrimp under there. Can you see it? Just disappointing that my shell is all soggy. Here, take a bite. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Mmm. Mmm, that seasoning is delicious. Mmm. 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 I am going to get some tortillas and eat with this. You know, later, because I know I can't eat all of this. And just eat around it, the crunchy parts. Look at this. Mm. I'm talking. I was kind of scared at first, but this is so good. Mm. I had to take a break from videoing because right when I was getting ready to try my taco salad, IT came in because I emailed them and told them that I lost all my favorites. And I have a lot of favorites. Mm. 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 Don't you love when everything is delicious? Mm. Everything's falling into my container because it's so stuffed with everything, which is a good thing. And the shrimp are those little, oh, thought they were. I guess some of them are little. This was a great idea. I just know what to tell them next time. Put my shell separate from everything else. Mm. And then when I get it, I'll put everything in the shell. I think I have another container. So good. So good. I'll tuck those in. So guys, I slept so good. So good. I don't have any more. I was hoping I had at least one more package. But I don't. Yeah, that's why the rice ball's falling apart, because I used long grain. Because that's all I had and I wanted some. And after this bite, I'm done. I'm full. So delicious. It didn't look like anything until you get down in there. Look at that. Look at all that shrimp. Handy dandy water. Before I spill this, let me just pour it on here. Don't want to throw it away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And I will see you on the next video. Love you. Peace.